Hello, my name is Shuparna Datta Choudhury and cooking has been my passion for as long as I can remember. I feel fortunate that my family, friends, relatives and neighbors all appreciate my cooking whenever I prepare dishes for them. To share my love and passion for cooking, I used to participate in cooking competitions and was fortunate to receive many appreciation each time. I decided to share my knowledge and experience with those who want to learn how to cook. Hence, I created a YouTube channel on January 2022 where I have been uploading recipes. My goal is to make cooking easy and accessible to the next generation who may not have much time to spend in the kitchen. I present my recipes in an easy manner, focusing on step-by-step procedure, which is the key to success. If you follow my channel regularly and try out my recipes as described, I guarantee that you will be preparing finger-licking dishes in no time. So please subscribe to my channel as it will be my prime motivation and inspiration to upload more and more recipes for you to enjoy. Thank you for your support. Namaskar.